Okay, another dark win tonight and another simple dish. First thing we'll do is we're going to start by preparing. Oops. Again, I'm unorganised. There we go. So what we'll do, we're going to start parboiling wedges. I'm going to do this for night before. We're going to do skin on, so it's nice and easy. No faffing. It's very quick. We're going to make these quite chunky. The best thing about these, we can do them the night before. So these go for about 8 or 3. Depending on the size of potato. You kind of, when you want wedges, you want them quite thick. So what we'll do, parboil these and then flavour them in oil and seasons. So if you're one of the 90% that doesn't subscribe to my channel yet, of my viewers, then please do leave me a comment below. What do you like to top your wedges with? I think I'm going to go with garlic and paprika for mine. What about you? What do you like? Leave a comment below. But more importantly, please do hit that subscribe button and let me know what you want to see me cook next. And there's my potatoes, nice and washed. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go the same way I would with, what I've used in the course, generous amount of salt and vinegar. This is how I do my chips, and I've never gone back. So I'm going to parboil these and then steam dry. And those are my wedges. They've been parboiled 5 minutes. They're just breaking on the surface. I'm just going to let them steam dry for a little bit before coating them and then leaving them in the fridge overnight, ready for tomorrow's cook. Okay, my wedges are now cooled, or as cooled as I want them to be. That probably isn't big enough. No, it's not going to be big enough. So make sure you put them in a suitably sized dish, and then all we're going to do is we're going to go in with plenty. I don't have a lot left. Plenty of smoked paprika, about 3 tablespoons in there, and then of course we go in with our lovely, if I can find it, garlic granules, and then some fine sea salt, and then we're going to go in. What we're doing, putting olive oil on these because it will help to stop them from turning while they're in the fridge overnight. And I'm just going to get straight in there. Beautiful. And they're going to stay like that for 24 hours. I shall see you tomorrow. And there are my wedges. Let me move out of there. Those are my wedges that have been obviously marinated for 24 hours. These are going to go in at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. Give them a toss through, and then maybe 10 to 15 minutes extra. I'll let you know, because you've got to do these by eye really. Sometimes, you know, different size and all that. So yeah, I'll come back when these are cooked and let you know exactly how long they took. Okay, those are my wedges. They've been done 24 minutes at 200 degrees. Just bring a bit of salt on there and they're perfect. Ready for eating now if you wish. As usual, don't forget, wherever or whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click links to the right to see some more of my beautiful, delicious recipes. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. And last but not least, comment below what's on your plates.